Chapter 4, Introduction to Windows 11. Children, just imagine there is a car in your house. It has petrol, engine, and wheels in it. But in spite of all these, can it move on its own? Definitely not, as the car will move only when the driver starts it. So the driver is the operator of the car. In the same way, a computer has a special set of programs which makes it run and also manages all the jobs done by it. This set of programs is known as operating system. An operating system is the most important software that makes the computer system to operate. It helps you to communicate with the computer. Disk operating system, Microsoft Windows, Apple Macintosh, Unix, and Linux are some of the operating systems. You will study about latest and one of the most widely used operating system of Microsoft Windows, Windows 11 in details in this chapter. Windows. Microsoft Windows is a graphical user interface based operating system, which means it provides menus, icons, buttons, dialog boxes, etc. to interact with the computer easily. BIT. DOS is a text-based operating system because user has to type commands to perform any task. It was used earlier. Windows 11. Windows 11 is the latest versions of Microsoft Windows operating system. It has been designed to run on desktop computers, laptops, tablets, and mobile phones. Windows 11 Desktop. When you switch on a computer, Windows 11 starts on its own. A screen appears on the monitor when the computer is ready to work. This screen is called desktop. Let's learn about some basic parts of Windows 11 Desktop. Desktop icon. It is a small picture on the desktop screen. It represents an application or a file. To open the application, simply double-click on the icon representing it. Taskbar. The bar that runs along the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. It contains the start menu, several applications icons, and then notification area on the right. Start menu. In Windows 11, Start menu provides a customizable list of apps, list of most recently opened documents, a way to find files, and get help to access system settings. Notification area. This area displays small icons that notify you about tasks that are running on your computer. Taskbar icons. These icons are used to launch some Windows 11 features with just a single click of the mouse. Time and date. You can see the current time and date on your computer in the right corner of the taskbar. To see the full date, position the mouse over the time. To change the date or time, click on the time. Bit. The process of loading the operating system to computer is called booting. Bracket. Which key is pressed to open Start menu? New features in Windows 11. We know that some new features were introduced in Windows 10. These features are given a new interface in Windows 11 and some other useful features are also added in Windows 11 that makes it more secure and user-friendly. Some of these new features are explained below. Cortana. Cortana is a voice-activated personal assistant. It can answer questions like, "What is the weather like today?" perform simple tasks to remind you take out the trash, and much more. Multiple desktop and task view. Instead of keeping everything open on the same desktop, you can move some of your windows to a virtual desktop to get them out of the way. And the new task view feature make it easy to manage all of your open windows. Microsoft Edge. This new browser is designed to give Windows user a better experience on the web. It is faster, more secure, and includes a lot of new features. Action Center. The new Action Center has been expanded to let you access frequently used settings such as Wi-Fi connectivity and tablet mode, etc. Tablet mode. Windows 11 makes a clear distinction between desktop and tablets. Using this feature, you can switch between tablet mode and desktop mode. Android app support. In Windows 11, the Windows subsystem for Android has been introduced. It is a platform that lets you run Android apps on your laptop or desktop alongside Windows apps. Voice typing. With voice typing, you can enter text on your PC by speaking. It uses online speech recognition, which is powered by Azure Speech Services. Opening an application. You use the Start menu to open applications on your computer. To open any application, follow these steps. Click on the Start button. Click on All Apps. Choose the desired application from all installed apps that will appear in the list in alphabetic order. BIT. Windows 1.0, the first graphical user interface based operating system, was launched by Microsoft in 1985. Selecting icons. To select an icon, simply click on it. To select adjacent icons, click on the first icon, hold down the Shift key and click on the last icon. To select discontinuous icons, hold down the Control key and click on the individual icons one by one. Arranging icons. To arrange icons by name, type, date or size, follow these steps. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu will appear. Point to the View option. A new sub-menu will appear. Click on choices given in the sub-menu to arrange the icons in that order. BIT. The icons can be automatically arranged by clicking on Auto Arrange Icons options. Option. Sorting icons. Sorting icons means arranging them in a proper sequence. To sort icons, follow these steps. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu will appear. Point to the Sort By option and click on the Name sub-option. The icons will be arranged in alphabetic order. Removing icons. Some icons are shortcuts of your programs. These shortcut icons usually have an arrow in the bottom left corner. You can remove these icons by following these steps. Right-click on the icon which you want to remove. Click on Delete icon. A dialog box will open asking to move the file in Recycle bin. Click on Yes to delete the file. Chapter Review. Windows 11 is the latest version of Microsoft Windows operating system. Desktop icon is a small picture on the desktop screen. Some new features are added in Windows 11 that makes it more secure and user-friendly. Taskbar icons are used to launch some Windows 11 features with just a single click of mouse. Sorting icons means arranging them in a proper